Alright guys, after a long while we are finally back here. I want to dive straight into work because I don't have too much time. As you can see right here, firewall got damaged, and I'm guessing this can't really be straightened out with it on it, so sadly I'm gonna have to take firewall off, and then we're gonna have to anyway replace this sucker. So can I get to cutting this and then slowly removing and getting the cab even more torn apart. So that's gonna be a fun sight to see. But anyway, here we go. I'm just gonna take a swing this way. That's for the firewall, those right there. Got those off. Then you're gonna need to take this panel off too. So I might as well just start getting these suckers undone. And then take it all apart. Alright y'all, I think I got all of them. Just gotta air hammer some off real quick. But I think that's almost all of them. This sucker should be coming off in no time. So my GoPro SD card got full, but like I was saying, this is where we're at. Complete bare cab. Everything's out. Got this little belly out. Now this firewall is pretty much almost all loose. All I gotta do is take off a couple more of these hooks and we'll be good to get the firewall off. And that's pretty much gonna be the end of the disassembly part on this cab at least. Then we gotta start disassembling the other one, transferring the parts to this one, putting it all back together, and getting this sucker back on the road. And it's easier said than done, but we'll get there eventually. Firewall is out. I mean, this looks scary right now, even to me. I think we'll get it. The assembly is pretty much completed. This is our donor. We're taking the roof off, the window frame, the cowling panel, this thing. So gotta carefully, gonna have to shave each one of these suckers off and then punch it through. But yeah, this is what complete cab looks like apart. Practically very little left for it being nothing. I just want to take off this little structure point because it got bent when the tow guy put us down on the roof. So I'm gonna have to replace this because this is steel. I want to take that out, and then I'm gonna start taking apart the parts cab. That's where it gets fun. Stay tuned.